What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today we're going to go over some pros. So, some things that I so far like about this Vivo XFold3. So, one thing that I can say I really like is how wide and big the outer display is. This is like having a regular size device in my hand, and I really like that because if I don't want to open up the display and use the even bigger screen, I don't have to because I have access to using this outer display just like that, and it doesn't cut any kind of screen real estate off or anything. This is like having a regular size smartphone, but it just folds. So I'm really enjoying the outer display dimensions of this. And then open it up. I love how big the inner display is. I think this is like eight something, 8 inch something. I don't know the exact ratio. This is a bigger inner display than what you get on your Z Fold 6, and I'm really enjoying it. This is even bigger. Let me see. This is bigger than the display on my OnePlus Open. Messed up, but this is a bigger. Yeah, this is bigger than my OnePlus Open display, as you can see. But overall, I am enjoying this big display because when I go to watch YouTube videos, I don't know, it's just a lot to have access to and use. And then if you want to go watch a movie, you can do that. But this just looks good to me. Yes, you may get black bars, but if you zoom in, that just, to me, that looks nice, not too bad at all. So I am enjoying my time with the Vivo X Fold with the bigger inner screen display. um I do like the camera setup. These are all 50 megapixel cameras, so I will make sure I make some videos testing out the cameras, so on and so on. I like how it gives you a choice to where you can have your notification panel split up to where you can slide from the right to get your notifications, or you can slide from the left to get your notifications only. I do like that, but right now I have it to where I just slide down, and then if I get a notification, it'll pop up there at the bottom. I also like that this has some customization to it. So if you come to your home screen, and wallpaper setup, you can just from right here, you can change your wallpaper. You're always on display. Come here and change and edit your lock screen. I really like that. I can also come here and use themes, pair in use, or mess with some of the icon settings. Overall, I am enjoying some features on this device. It's so much I can do with this device, so many different kind of customizations, and this is running Origin OS because this is the Chinese ROM. But so far, I'm liking the ROM. I'm liking the ROM. No problem just yet with the ROM, with how this is running. So this is the Chinese variant. So this is the kind of OS that people over in China and foreign countries are using on their Vivo devices. Oh, and another thing, I love how thin this is. Man, this is a thin device to hold in your hand. And this is not just a phone, this is a folding phone. And for some of the folding phones I've used, this is the thinnest I've used. I've had the Z Fold 4, Z Fold 3, Z Fold 6, OnePlus Open, and the Google Pixel Fold, and this is one of the thinnest, and it just feels good in my hand. It opens up smooth, as you can see. You really do not see the crease like you do with your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. This is smooth. It's running the 8 Gen 2 processor. I know 8 Gen 3 is out, but this is still running pretty smooth. And I currently have it on the beta running on, let's see what I have it on. I currently have this running on Origin OS 5. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.